Vacuum systems, consisting of a vacuum chamber and a vacuum pump that pulls 29 inches of mercury, are used to remove the air from high-viscosity materials, like some silicone rubbers, before pouring. They are also ideal for vacuum degassing liquid plastics for making bubble-free castings. Whether you are using the 2-gallon or the 5-gallon vacuum chamber, the process will be very similar. So let's see how to vacuum degas your material. You'll need a vacuum pump to use with the chamber. Pumps are sold separately and can vary in size, capability, and cost. Make sure your pump can pull at least 29 inches of mercury, or 1 bar, and has a minimum airflow of 8 cubic feet per minute. That's 13.6 cubic meters per hour. One end of the rubber vacuum hose has to be attached to the valve assembly, and the other end to the intake fitting on your vacuum pump. For this demonstration, we'll be using Moldmax 30 silicone rubber, which has a mixed viscosity of 25,000 centipoise. Parts A and B are mixed thoroughly according to the product's technical bulletin. Make sure the container is big enough to allow for up to 5 times the expansion of the material during vacuuming. If it's not, transfer the mixed material to a bigger container. Then place the container into the vacuum chamber and ensure the lid is sealed tightly. Turn on the vacuum pump. Then open the directional valve to allow the pump to draw air out of the chamber. You'll see the silicone rise as trapped air is pulled out. The pump should reach at least 29 inches of mercury. When the silicone rises and then falls back down, continue vacuuming for about 60 seconds more. Do not over-vacuum, and always keep in mind your material's working time or pot life. When you're done, turn off the vacuum pump. Then slowly turn the valve back to its original position to release pressure inside the chamber. Your silicone is now fully de-aired and ready to be poured over your model.